Hi everybody. I'm fully aware that you are likely to be at home now, consumed in fear and anxiety about the future and wondering what's going to happen. Well, I want to help. For years I've been helping people, teaching them breath work and ice bath techniques, how to connect with the deepest part of their brain, understanding the science and the physiology of breathing so you can control the reaction of your immune system. You can boost your immune system. You can understand how to hack yourself. So what I'm offering is right now I have put together a really cool PDF with all out-of-the-box ways to boost your immune system. So I'd like for you to get that. And I'd like you to join a 1-hour webinar, 100% free, where I'll be sharing tons of tips on how you can get the most of the current situation for yourself, for the future, for your business. You know, how can you shift your mindset and see the positive in this current situation? Check out things that have been written about me and BreathingCold on all social media. I've got over 300 reviews everywhere. I would like to be of service and help right now. Check it out. Thank you guys. Hope to see you soon.